Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autoland. If you love motorcycles, road trips, and adventure, you're in the right place. We bring you the latest reviews, insights, and deep dives into some of the coolest rides on the market. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our content. Now, let's get into today's topic. Today, we're talking about something truly special. The Volvo Moto Home 2025. If you love the freedom of the open road but don't want to give up the comforts of home, this is a vehicle you'll want to know about. Volvo has combined its reputation for safety, technology, and comfort with the thrill of adventure to create a motorhome that's perfect for long trips, weekend getaways, and even full-time van life. So, what makes the Volvo Moto Home 2025 stand out? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the exterior. Volvo has taken a futuristic yet practical approach, blending sleek aerodynamics with a rugged, adventure-ready stance. Unlike traditional bulky motorhomes, this one is built with efficiency in mind. It has a streamlined body to reduce wind resistance, making it more fuel-efficient. The front end carries Volvo's signature grille and LED headlights, giving it a high-end, automotive look rather than just a big, boxy RV appearance. It's built on a strong but lightweight chassis, making it easier to handle on highways and off-road trails alike. One of the biggest highlights, the solar panel integrated roof. Volvo has included a full set of solar panels to power the essentials, so you can stay off-grid longer. Plus, it has retractable side awnings, an external kitchen setup, and a modular cargo area to carry adventure gear like bikes, kayaks, or even a small motorcycle. Let's talk interior now. Stepping inside, the Volvo Moto Home 2025 is where things get really interesting. Volvo is known for its high-quality interiors, and they've brought that same attention to detail here. The layout is designed to maximize space and comfort. You get a fully functional kitchenette with a compact fridge, induction stove, and sink, all built with energy efficiency in mind. There's plenty of storage hidden within the sleek cabinetry. For sleeping arrangements, Volvo has included a comfortable, fold-out bed with high-quality memory foam. The seating area doubles as a workspace, making it perfect for digital nomads or travelers who need to stay connected. There's even a smart entertainment system with a foldable screen, Bluetooth speakers, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The bathroom setup is another standout feature. Unlike most compact RVs, the Volvo Moto Home includes a wet bath with a shower and toilet, ensuring you don't have to rely on campgrounds or gas stations. The water system is eco-friendly, using a filtration and recycling system to maximize water use. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Volvo has offered two powertrain options. 1. A hybrid version, combining a fuel-efficient diesel engine with an electric motor for lower emissions and better mileage. 2. A fully electric model, designed for those who want to go completely green. This version offers a 400-mile range per charge, thanks to Volvo's advanced battery technology. Both options come with all-wheel drive, making it perfect for tackling various terrains. Whether you're cruising down highways or exploring mountain trails, the Volvo Moto Home is built to handle it. Another great addition is Volvo's autonomous driving tech. The advanced driver assist system includes lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and even an autopilot mode for highway driving. This means you can relax a bit more on those long stretches of road. Technology is a huge part of the Volvo Moto Home experience. Some key features include a fully digital dashboard with a touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to climate control, voice commands for adjusting lights, temperature, and music, AI-powered trip planning, which suggests the best camping spots, charging stations, and scenic routes, remote monitoring through a mobile app, allowing you to check battery levels, security cameras, and even start preheating the interior on cold mornings. For those who love off-grid travel, the solar power system and battery management ensure you can go days without needing an external power source. And if you ever need extra energy, the hybrid version can use its engine as a backup generator. Safety has always been a top priority for Volvo, and that doesn't change with the Moto Home. Some of the key safety features include 360-degree cameras for easy parking and maneuvering, collision avoidance system with automatic braking, tire pressure monitoring and stability control, making sure you stay safe on rough roads, emergency call system, so if something goes wrong, help is just a button away. With Volvo's reputation, you can trust that this motorhome is built to last, no matter where your adventures take you. Of course, a vehicle like this doesn't come cheap. While Volvo hasn't officially announced pricing, estimates suggest the hybrid version will start around $120,000, while the fully electric model could be closer to $140,000. That's a premium price, but considering the technology, luxury, and efficiency packed into this motorhome, it's a worthwhile investment for serious travelers. Pre-orders are expected to open later this year, with deliveries starting in early 2026. If you're someone who loves road trips but wants a sustainable, high-tech, and comfortable way to travel, this could be the perfect home on wheels for you. The Volvo Moto Home 2025 is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. With a sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and a focus on sustainability, it's one of the most exciting motorhomes to hit the market. Whether you're looking for weekend getaways, a long-term travel solution, or just a new way to experience the world, this motorhome has you covered. What do you think about the Volvo Moto Home 2025? Would you take it on a cross-country road trip? Let us know in the comments. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Volvo Moto Home 2025, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Autoland. We've got more exciting content coming your way, so hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and stay adventurous.